गुड मॉर्निंग गाइस। अभी जस्ट नहाने से बाहर आई हूँ इसलिए मैंने ये क्यूट टॉप पहना है। तो आज का प्लान मोस्टली है कि माय मॉम इज गोइंग टू टेक मी शॉपिंग फाइनली। द थिंग इज कि अभी मैं बोध जाने वाला है, उसके बाद मैं डायरेक्टली फेयरवेल, उसके बाद डायरेक्टली हम ऋषिकेश की ट्रिप पे जा रहे हैं और मेरे पास कपड़े नहीं है। सो माय मॉम फाइनली अग्री टू टेक मी शॉपिंग। लेट्स गेट रेडी फॉर दैट। मेरे बाल लिटरली गीले पड़े हैं बट फर्स्ट लेट्स जस्ट स्किन केयर यूजिंग द नाइसिनामाइड टोनर। ये सब ले दो पूरा। तो आज हम जा किधर रहे हैं? सो न्यूमी, आई लव न्यूमी। मैं उसका आई ऑर्डर स्टफ फ्रॉम न्यूमी ऑनलाइन, बट मलाड में there's only one outlet store of Numi, that is in Malad in Orbit Mall. So I'm planning to go there today because I love the collection and I need like वो unique pieces ना उधर ही मिलते हैं. H&M, Zara, no hate on them, but they're just very basic and I need something in your face. मेरा टोनर सूख गया है, so now we'll put serum. I'm gonna use the vitamin C minimalist का. I use this like alternate days. It's a good serum. मेरा मेन प्रॉब्लम है कि रेडनेस बहुत आता है मेरी स्किन पे, सो दैट उसके लिए प्लीज सजेस्ट मी समथिंग। बस ग्लो आ जाता है इसको लगाने के बाद। Ignore the hair situation right now. We'll fix that later. We'll use moisturizer. I use this minimalist का vitamin B5 का. It's good for oily skin. I have oily skin, तो ये this doesn't make my skin oily like regularly, so it's good. ये भी alternate days वापरती हूँ। Now sunscreen time. मैं usually ये वाला वापरती हूँ. I use this Dot and Kika because I have oily skin, but today मैं बाहर जाती हूँ, that's why I'm going to use this tinted वाला Dot and Kika because थोड़ा ऐसे even skin tone हो जाए, that's why. I'm in the color 08 Sand. Can you see it? If you can't see it, then I'll put blush later on. But now let's fix this. Now I'll just put a serum. I use this Biolage का. मैं उतना वापरती नहीं हूँ, मैं उतना यूज नहीं करती, बट आज ऐसे बाहर जा रही हूँ तो लगा देती हूँ. So, बहुत थोड़ा हूँ, but I feel it makes my hair very चिपचिपा. I don't use it now. आज से वीडियो के नाम पे वापर रही हूँ. Okay, cute. Yeah, I'm in jeans. I'll show you बाद में my outfit. मैं just lunch करके आई, बहुत खा लिया, अभी हम निकलने वाले हैं. So I put my blush. It's from Innisfree. My चाची got this जब वो कोरिया गई थी, तो I love this. This I think I'll buy when I go. थोड़ा ही just natural. See, I love the shade on me. Very natural. So cute, see? Lip shade for the day. I'm using this Mars ka lip liner. My friend gifted this to me for Secret Santa. I like to line my lips with this. I fill this up thoda ऐसे light normal thara. And then I don't put any lipstick. I just use my lip gloss, Dior ka lip glow oil. Yeah, it's very good. It's expensive, I agree, lekin it's worth it, I feel. And I just fuck. I love the shine. The gloss is like glossing, if you know what I mean. My hair are not cooperating today, but that's fine. So for earrings, I'm gonna wear these ones. I got them from Bandra for like $100 or something. They look really good with it. There we go. I think they look very classy with the outfit. And for today's hand stack, I'm planning to like wear my gold this thing with these white little bracelets and these pink. So this is my hand stack. And it's really pretty. It even has this charm. Yeah. So yeah, pretty. My mom's taking like ages to get ready, so I'm gonna do one what's in my bag. So it's the bag I'm carrying. It's a very cute pink one from Savannah, obviously. So I have my clip. Very cutesy clip. Now let's see what I'm carrying. First off, this perfume. My friend gifted this to me and I'm telling you, it's really good. I'm about to finish it. I'm going to buy a new one, obviously. Then I have my lip liner, of course. I have the lip gloss. I have one more lip gloss. I don't know why, but why not? I have my wallet. That's a cute wallet. And a comb. That's it. This is my outfit. My mom's saying like forever to get ready, and I can't scream at her because she's taking me shopping. If I scream at her, then she won't let me buy any stuff. I need to be kind and keep my cool. I look so cute today though. Can we leave? Like a good daughter, I fill my water bottle because we ain't spending 20 rupees on a Bisleri bottle. So such a good kid, you know. Pink bottle, pink bag, pink bows. Guys, we finally left. We're going to go by train because it's more near, more nazdeek by train. So yeah. So we sat in the taxi now. We're going to go to Dadar station. So they say there's a direct train to Malad, and we'll get on Malad and then we'll take a rickshaw to Infinity Mall. Guess the expense of the whole trip from the train. What do you think? Amma, can you not do that? It's a candid video. We're going to go by Uber first. So I was like, let's go by Uber. So it was 420 rupees. My mom said, no, we'll go by train. So now my mom is saying the train will be 200 rupees for train and rickshaw. So let's see. I don't think you can hear me because it's too loud here. But we sat in the train right now. And it's a... How much time will it take? It will take 25 minutes. So yeah. We sat in the rickshaw. Now it's a 15-20 minute ride from here. So yeah. Okay guys, we finally reached. So shopping time. I'm so excited. Guys, the collection at Numi is insane. It's so pretty. I want to buy everything. My mom won't let me, but like I want to. It's very pretty. We have come to Levi's because I didn't find anything in Numi. Like it wasn't my size. The quality is very bad in Numi. The styles are good, agreed, but I just didn't like the fit on me. I'm sorry for the bad mirror, so let's try. Because I don't know what's happening with me. I can't find anything. I've come from Matunga to Malad and I can't find anything. I found 1-2 tops here, but basic tops. I'm not finding only good clothes here. It's not my day today. It's a task to find clothes here. I can't find anything and I'm effed up. But now I want to check out West Side. I bought 2-3 clothes on pantaloons, but just I don't know. Let's see. I bought some stuff from West Side. And yeah, I think I got it a day. I'll go to Numi, I'll buy one of my jeans which I kept there. And then I'll go back home. Guys, we got the goods. I even bought something from West Side and pantaloons, but वो अभी हमने झोले में डाल दिया है, so that I won't show. The Numi collection was very disappointing. I didn't like it at all. I still bought one jeans because I didn't have an option. I really needed a good pair of white beige jeans. So I bought those. And now it's getting late, so I have to go home. I would say I did a good shopping day. Like, yeah, okay. Will I come again to Malad for Infinity and New Me? I really don't think so. But a good experience. How was the shopping spree?
Very nice. Deshna enjoyed a lot. And me too.
She was अभी मुझे सिर्फ गाली दे रही थी कि बहुत शॉपिंग कर ली है. And now you're saying like this. Moms on camera, guys. Hypocrites.
White है ना Deshna के pink.
Pink. Wait for the thing, but we're still stopping to find phone cases. That's beyond me. It's genuinely beyond my understanding. Cheers, guys.
હા ત્યાં તો મળ્યું તે કાંઈ નહોતું જઈને પાણી.
The rush in the train is crazy. Never traveled. Never. What a day I have had. Crazy. उधर से हम स्टेशन में ट्रेन में आए मलाड से. Fucking rush. Like कितने सारे लोग थे. It was ew. Like everybody around us in this smelly, ew. Sweaty, ew. Never will go there again. I came directly from dance practice and I didn't eat dinner. I haven't eaten anything since 2 p.m. except the pani puri, which was okayish. Then dance practice we did 3 hours and like my legs are dead and I'm just dead. It's 12 a.m. right now. I've reached home right now. I ate a burger on my way, obviously. And as for the Infinity Mall, I mainly went for New Me, and New Me was I didn't like it at all. The quality was very bad. I didn't find sizes. I'm 32 in waist and M or S in tops, and I didn't find good clothes. The quality was shit. The things were transparent. It wasn't up to the mark. Like I had huge expectations, but they weren't matched. I bought like a bag and one pant, and that's it from New Me. And then normal, apna West Side, pantaloons, Zara, Shoppers Stop, all that was there. But that also you find even in Palladium, R City and all that. So why should I go to Infinity Malad? So not at all needed. Will I recommend to go there again? No. Will I go there again? No. And yeah, I'm going to eat dinner. I'm going to edit this vlog and then I'm going to sleep. So this vlog better get good likes, better get more shares and good comments. So yeah. Okay, bye.